All right, so we need to find the area of RSTQ. So it is a rectangle, so we're going to say, all right, the area of any rectangle is going to be the base times the height. And again, this doesn't mean anything until we identify those. So let's identify this as the base. So the base is going to be segment QT. And then we need the height. So let's say the height is this one here. So the height is going to be segment ST. And we could have just as easily chosen RQ for the height and RS as the base. It doesn't really matter which one you need to use. So now we need to find the distance. And since these are in a diagonal, I can't really count that. So I'm going to have to use the distance formula. So let's start with the base. Let's find QT. So this is QT. And Q is at -2, -2. And then T is at 2, 2. Then we'll do the distance formula. And let's start plugging in what we know. So let's label this X and Y, X1, Y1, X2, Y2. We'll start plugging them in. So our X2 is 2, and our X1 is -2. Then our Y2 is going to be 2, and our Y1 again is going to be -2. That should make our math easy. So 2, remember, minus a negative is the same as plus a positive. So 2 plus 2 is 4. And again, we got the same thing, 2 minus -2, so that's going to be 4. So that means 4 to the second power is 16, plus 16 is 32, is approximately 5.65. That would be our length of QT. So let's put that in for the base. 5.65 equals area times whatever the height is. So we're going to figure that out now. So now we need to figure out the height. So we're going to find the distance from S to T. So this is ST. And S is at -1, 5. And T is at 2, 2. So we'll do the distance formula. And let's plug in what we know. So X and Y, X1, Y1, X2, Y2. So our X2 is 2, and our X1 is -1, and our Y2 is 2, and our Y1 is 5. So 2 minus a negative, that's going to give us 2 plus 1 minus a negative, the same as plus a positive. So 2 minus -1 is 3 to the second power. And 2 minus 5, if I've got $2 and I want to buy something for 5, I would owe someone $3. I'd be $3 in the hole. So that's -3. So 3 to the second power is 9. -3 to the second power is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. And the square root of 18 equals 4.24. So ST is equal to 4.24. So I'm going to plug that in up here. 4.24. So our final answer is we need to multiply the base times the height. So the base, we figured out that distance, 5.65. The height, we figured out that distance, 4.24. So now all that's left is to multiply those together. So we get a grand total of 23.95 units squared. That is our final answer.